Did you know the hardest fight a warrior ever wins is the one he chooses to walk away from? The crowd is loud. Hundreds of eyes locked on two blades, two fighters, neither one breaking. He has faced this opponent for nearly an hour. Every strike matched, every step answered. The duel is as close as any he has known. Then something shifts inside him. Not fear, not exhaustion. A quiet, clear thought rising through the noise. This victory would cost him something no sword could ever take. His peace, his sense of who he is. The man across from him cannot steal that, but the fight itself might. He slows his breathing. He sheathes his blade. The click of metal on leather cuts through the crowd louder than any blow. The crowd reads surrender. He reads clarity. Walking away is not weakness. It is the rarest kind of strength. Knowing which battles are worth your soul and which ones quietly hollow it out. That is the discipline no opponent can teach you. Follow Silent Resolve for more anime life lessons.